How to enable Do Not Track in Safari. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, today I'm going to show you how you can protect your privacy by enabling Do Not Track in Safari. So, let's get started. Open up your settings. Then scroll down to the bottom, go to apps, and then on the search bar, search for Safari, open it up, and then scroll down. Now, under privacy and security, you'll find prevent cross-site tracking, toggle it on, and then you can see hide IP address, tap on it, and then tick on from trackers. So this will protect your information as Safari can hide your IP address from known trackers. So that's it. You can also toggle on fraudulent website warning or not secure connection warning if you want to. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.